We're at GoToMath.com. Click on the algebra. It's go down to Radical Equations, and we're going to be looking at, it looks like 9.1. Alright, what is 9.1? Well, we're trying to find the solution set to the radical equation. And this particular one here is the square root of 3x plus 1 minus the square root of x, and is equal to 1. And we want to find all the values of x we could plug in to make this true. Alright, so what are we going to do here? Okay, let's take this over to the right. So it's going to be plus square root of x. I'm thinking this one here might be tricky. We got 3x plus 1. Okay, and let's now square both sides. So we square the radical, that gets rid of that. But we're still going to have a radical over here on the right. We got 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times square root of x times 1. So that'd be 2 of them. And then the square root of x times square root of x is just x. Ah, I see it now. Okay. Let's shift everything down. So we have 3x. Let's take this x over, minus x plus 1. Let's take over that one. We got minus 1. And now we have 2 square roots of x. 2 times square root of x, I should say. Collect up some like terms. We have 2x, and then, okay, that's going to cancel to 0. That's nice. And also what we could do here is go ahead and multiply both sides by a half, and we'll be left with x times the square root of x. Okay, well, that's not too bad. If we want to get rid of this radical here, so we're going to square both sides, and that's just going to leave me with okay, so I better not, look at that thing, did that again. Better not skip any steps. So now we have x squared is equal to x. Okay, continue this over here. X squared minus x is equal to 0. Maybe we should just continue it straight down now I think about it. We can factor an x out. So our two possible solutions, x equal to 0, and then of course we set this equal to 0, and so we have x equal to 1. So here's our two possible solutions, 0 and 1, and we'll need to check those out, right? So we have the square root of 3. Let's do 0 first. We're going to plug 0 in, plus 1, and minus the square root of 0. And is all that equal to 1? Let's find out. Let's see, that's 0, that's square root of 1. Well, we get square root of 1 minus 0, so yep, that's equal to 1. I should have put a question mark there, forget that. Okay, stating that this could be equal to, or the question is this equal to 1? Okay, I don't know. Some people do that, some don't. I'm doing it. So as long as you understand what's going on there. Alright, let's now try 1. 1 was another possible solution. Okay, so we have 3 times 1 plus 1 minus the square root of 1, and that equal to 1. 1 and 1. So that's going to be 3 times 1 is 3 is 4. Let's just go ahead and put 1 there. 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Alright, so our solution set this time contains 0 and 1. I think it's been a while since we've had two solutions. Okay, 0 and 1 are the solutions. Alright, we're over here at GoToMath.com, working some radical equations. See you in the next problem.